Shalom, shalom. Yom Day 1. We back at it, getting it done, finishing the doggone greenhouse. Let's talk about it. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Closer to God Ministries, where we push forward in the kingdom of the Most High Yah. Closer to God Ministries is for those who really want to learn true submission, true obedience, reverence, and a fear of the Most High Yah. One thing about Closer to God Ministries is I'm not afraid to push the envelope. There's a lot of things that go on in the world that need to be addressed, but religious leaders won't talk about it. Closer to God Ministries, I'm pushing forward. Each man must be convinced in his own mind. I'm gonna give you the disclaimer. This is not for everybody. If you're somebody that has a soft spirit, a sensitive spirit, you don't like that hard truth that can set you free, this is not for you. But if you choose to stay tuned, don't just run off on the plug with my content. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your notifications on so you can see when I'm posting new content. And then if you really want to support the channel, check out the doggone link in the description for some exclusive discount codes. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Glory to the Most High Yah. Shalom. Thank you for tuning in to another Righteous Spirit Food episode. Today I'm back at it in them trenches, handling that kingdom business, man. Back at it, man. It's 100-degree heat. Got out here Yom Day 1, you know, and first day of the week, started back building. You know, got the frame completely done, got the windows put in, got the weed barrier in there, and then got the rock in there. Still got just the plastic to do, a couple buttoning up to do, but I'll show you the progress. All right, so here we have it. Got the framing done. You know, I was gonna go with a hoop frame concept, but I had a whole bunch of free wood, as you can see on my trailer back there. So I just chopped it up and made it happen. You know, got the windows in here today. These windows that I got on a good deal. You know, put those in there. Found those on sale a while back. Didn't use them. You know, got the roofing done. Up there, real simple, nothing extravagant. I'll probably put a little bit more bracing in there. Maybe I'll see how that holds up. Got this side back done over here with the windows on there. Sliding windows to allow the breeze to come across. There you have it right there. This side, windows. So it's two windows on each side, door on that side. Did a real simple roof concept. Like I said, I'm not a framer, or have no experience in building trusses or nothing like that. So I did the best that I could, man. You know, put the labor in my hands, and you know, the family will be blessed with, you know, being able to grow food in the dead seas and stuff like that. I got a power outlet right over there that I can use and tap into in case I need to put a heater or something in here. Real simple, man. Not anything extravagant. You know, ain't gonna win no framing awards, but it will do the job once I put the plastic around it. I might even do that on the top. I might even do like that ripple panel material. I just gotta see what you know, what's gonna be more cost effective and what'll last overall. But for now, I got the I'll show you the plastic I got. I got this show you this right here. I got this 6 mil 20 feet by 100 plastic right there, clear, transparent. Got that at like Home Depot. Got that at Lowe's. So I'll be putting that on here probably tomorrow evening. But as far as this heat goes, man, if I would have started, you know, when the average person would have started when it's nice and cool, man, I would have had maybe about 3 hours worth of daylight to get this done. But, you know, I was able to get out here at 8 this morning, glory to the Most High Yah, after coming back from Lowe's, getting my gravel and putting a solid 7 hours straight of work. You know, I need a little bit more gravel in there just to fill it in, but maybe about 6 more bags of gravel, and then that'll be good, man. But I'm looking forward. Still got to put my my latch on the door. Real basic latch that'll go right here. It has one of those little hooks that you put in the little loop. Real simple, man. Like I said, nothing complicated. You know, a lot of this stuff, if you just put your mind to it and you got the tools to be able to do it. And man, I got to the last little bit of the framing and ran out of screws. Had to pull out that hammer, man, start swinging it. But luckily, wasn't that much that had to be done. So glory to the Most High Yah. And then I put a couple rafters in there. That way I can string this stuff up and keep the tension on it. That way when it's starting to grow up, you know, I can keep like I said, keep the tension on it and get more growth. You know, I got a good buddy told me I need to put some more dirt and bring the plants up. That way the rooting can go deeper and it can yield a bigger plant and produce more. So I'll be doing that. Got some more dirt right there, and then got some mulch to put on the top, and that's pretty much it right there. Glory to the Most High Yah. Close to God Ministries, kicking it gun barrel straight. Bow.